सर।
इस समय मन की बात भी चल रही होगी सर?
हाँ, चली रही है।
हमारी मन की बात अब स्टार्ट होगी। मोदी जी कर रहे होंगे मन की बात।
मोदी जी मन की बात कर रहे हैं। जी जी। Okay, we have now started live on Facebook.
Yeah, good morning all of you. Welcome to the Facebook live of the another session. अभी बहुत सारे सेशंस में हम लोगों ने अलग अलग पॉइंट्स को लिया हुआ है। इस बार हम लोग जो नोटिस कर रहे हैं कि लॉकडाउन बाकी जगह के लिए तो पॉसिबल है कि खत्म हो रहा है, बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स के लिए लॉकडाउन ओवर हो गया है, लेकिन स्कूल आज भी इस पोजीशन पे है जैसे वो 17th 18th ऑफ मार्च को क्लोज हुआ था। सारे बच्चे घर पे बैठे हुए हैं। थोड़ा सा चेंज ये आया है कि बच्चे उस ऑफलाइन मोड से थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर गए हैं अपने आप को ऑनलाइन मोड ऑफ एजुकेशन में एंड लाइव मोड ऑफ एजुकेशन में। सिंपल सी बात है कि हमारे आपका जो लाइफ स्टाइल था उसमें हमारे आपके लिए, बड़े लोगों के लिए फेसबुक है, व्हाट्सएप है, हम अपनी चैटिंग कर लेते हैं, फ्रेंड से मिल लेते हैं, वर्चुअली बहुत सारी मीटिंग और चीजें कर लेते हैं। लेकिन अगर बच्चे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो स्कूल में ही उसके फ्रेंड्स थे, स्कूल में ही उसकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज थी, स्कूल में ही वो खेलने जाता था। पड़ोस का पार्क भी आज की तारीख में बंद हो चुका है, कोई भी पेरेंट उसको वहां पर भेजने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। इन सारे सिनेरियो में अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे तो आप ये पाएंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं आपके बच्चे का मेंटल हेल्थ जो है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है। मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ, हर बच्चे के लिए फिजिकली वर्कआउट करना बहुत जरूरी है। कम से कम 1 आवर का वर्कआउट करना बहुत जरूरी है। सालों से हम लोग सुनते आ रहे हैं स्कूल में दैट्स व्हाई म्यूजिक की क्लासेस होती थी, योगा की क्लासेस होती थी, उसके अलावा फिजिकल वर्कआउट बहुत सारे होते थे, कराटे है, ताइक्वांडो है, न जाने कितनी एक्टिविटीज हुआ करती थी। आज की तारीख में वो सब बंद हो चुकी हैं। बच्चा घर पे बैठा हुआ है, उस पे एक बोझ है कि आपको ऑनलाइन स्टडीज करनी है, 1 घंटे 2 घंटे, कई स्कूल तो कई कई घंटे तक बच्चों को एंगेज कर रहे हैं। मजबूरी है स्कूल की क्योंकि सिलेबस खत्म करना है। अभी तक गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई गाइडलाइन ऐसी नहीं है कि आने वाले टाइम पे कितना और ज्यादा सिलेबस को रिड्यूस किया जा सकता है। 30% सिलेबस पे हम लोगों ने अभी लास्ट सेशन में बात किया था, लेकिन वो 30% भी इट इज नॉट वर्थ इट कि बच्चा कितनी चीजों को मैनेज कर पाता है उस चीज को लेकर के। लेट अस टुडे डिस्कस अबाउट द फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ द चाइल्ड। हम आप अपनी और बच्चों की फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए और मेंटल प्रेशर के लिए, अपने लिए तो बहुत कुछ कर लेते हैं, बच्चे के लिए हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं ये हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। हमारे साथ हैं संदीप सांडिल्या सर जयपुर से, गणेश सहाय सर वाराणसी से, बिंद्रेश प्रसाद जी मधुबनी से। एजुकेशन लीडर्स हैं, बहुत सारे से एजुकेशन में काम कर रहे हैं। मैंने यहाँ पर कोई मेडिकल टीम को नहीं कॉल किया है क्योंकि मेडिकल इंफॉर्मेशन आपको बहुत सारी मिलती रहती हैं। स्कूल क्या करने वाला है, कैसे टिकल करेगा चीजों को, और क्या सजेशंस स्कूल के लीडर्स के लिए आपके लिए है, हम उसके बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं। उस चीज को पे बात करने से पहले मैं चाहूंगा कि एक छोटा सा वीडियो आप यहाँ पर देख लें। वीडियो है, बहुत साल पहले न जाने क्या सोच करके आइडिया ने इसको बनाया था, और वो वीडियो आज की तारीख में कहीं ना कहीं फिट बैठता है कि उसकी सिचुएशन क्या यहां पर आपको मिल रही है। 90 सेकंड्स का वीडियो है, इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा।
अंदर कहाँ आ गए? बच्चे को स्कूल में पढ़ाना है, एडमिशन फुल है। चल गांव में स्कूल नहीं है तो कैसे पढ़ेगी? मेरे पोती को भर्ती कर दो। गांव में स्कूल नहीं है तो कैसे पढ़ेगी?
एक स्कूल में सबको कैसे पढ़ा? आइडिया।
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher. बोलो।
Good. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are
11. कौन करे बच्चे? कॉपी उनका बन जाओ। U4
राइट, वीडियो आपने देखा, बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया साइट्स पर ये वीडियो चला है और बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसको देखा भी है। ब्यूटी ऑफ द वीडियो इज दैट, जो मैंने अभी आपको यहां पर दिखाया है, लास्ट 5 to 6 सेकेंड्स ऑफ द वीडियो। अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो क्लासेस जिस समय ये वीडियो शूट हुआ होगा उस टाइम की कंडीशंस कुछ और थी। 2G नेटवर्क में हम काम किया करते थे, आज हम 5G नेटवर्क पे आ गए हैं। 1 GB डाटा हम पर मंथ पे काम किया करते थे, वो 1 GB डाटा आज की तारीख में आपको पर डे भी कम पड़ जाता है। तो ये बहुत सारी जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट की आगे आकर के जो चीजें पहले से कर ली गई थी उसका बेनिफिट है जो आज की तारीख में हम ले पा रहे हैं। लेकिन जो मैंने आपसे कहा कि ब्यूटी ऑफ द वीडियो वाज दैट कि स्टडीज के साथ साथ आपने नोटिस किया होगा बच्चे वहां पर लेफ्ट राइट कर रहे थे, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज की बात यहां पर हो रही थी। उस समय भी नोटिस किया गया था वीडियो में कि कहीं ना कहीं टीचिंग में फिजिकल वेलबींग, फिजिकल वर्कआउट इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। तो आज हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। मैं चाहूंगा कि संदीप सांडेलिया सर इसके बारे में अपनी पॉइंट को रखें कि वो फिजिकल वेलबींग के लिए, फिजिकल वर्कआउट और मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए बच्चे को वो क्या सजेस्ट करने वाले हैं और क्या चीजें बच्चों के लिए अच्छे रहने वाली हैं। संदीप सर।
Thank you, sir. Good morning and namaskar all. This video has reminded me about 2 lines which I heard long back. That is, एक चिंगारी कहीं से ढूंढ लाओ दोस्तों, दिए में तेल की बाती तो है. So again, good morning all. Here we are in the middle of pandemic crisis known as COVID-19. This pandemic has brought so many problems. The number one problem is uncertainty. Uncertainty is all over throughout the world because we don't know when the treatment, cure, or the vaccine or the inoculation will come out. Number two, the general worry, that is worries related to finances. This is being faced by each and everyone. Child care, that is children at home, how to look after them. All the time for 24 hours, these children are here, at the home, looking after the elderly parents. That is also a problem. Now, as far as professions are concerned, whether in service class or in business class, there are job insecurities, professional insecurities, and so on. So the list is endless. That is, list of problems is endless. Apart from this, the TV channels we can see daily ceaseless news coverage. We don't know whether those news are authentic or they are not authentic. In order to increase their TRP, these news channels, they make their news sensationalized. That is, they go for sensationalization of the news. Then the apps which we use, WhatsApp and others, they are flooded with undesired messages. So flood of undesired messages on social media. As far as schools and teachers are concerned, to combat this situation. And this situation has demanded, or rather I should say demanding, that all the teachers to get transformed digitally overnight. These teachers, they are in the process of procuring softwares, hardwares for their online teaching. Earlier, they were not exposed. They were exposed, but they were not this much exposed that all the things are now going to be online. Then to manage online learning with limited resources, because all of a sudden, all the resources, that is hardware, software, apps, they are not available. So these things are also the problematic thing. Then we see teachers are aware that they may not be paid. See the state of teachers. They may not be paid their salaries. To teach students, their parents and siblings, that is when a child is sitting and attending online class, his parents, his siblings, they are all watching and judging teachers. Those who are teaching at that moment, that is what is his or her pronunciation, voice modulation, grammar, knowledge, that is subject knowledge, and delivery of the subject matter. So I salute my teacher fraternity for their relentless efforts in this period. In my view, we have to move forward anyhow, because we cannot sit idle, by maintaining our physical and mental health and well-being. Because the problem with the teachers is that they know that children's learning is at stake. Their learning is at stake. So they don't want to leave any stone unturned during this process. As far as physical well-being is concerned, in my opinion, I would request all the parents to set a routine for yourself as well as for your kids. And please provide them a space that should be well lit, with fresh air, with a table and chair. The sense of going for study, going for learning, because it has been seen, it has been reported, and all of you must be aware that students, while attending their online classes, they are sitting somewhere at the staircase, in the balcony, or lying on the bed and attending their classes, which is not good. That does not give them sense of, study. And there must be separation between study corner where the child is studying and rest of the home life. His or her breakfast or a glass of milk before attending the class. kindly ensure that the child must get up and move around for 2-3 minutes after every 1 hour. That is very useful for the child, because once he gets up and move around 2-3 minutes just around that table, that is very useful, because blood circulation that becomes proper. That is blood circulation. Earlier it is there, but now you I mean one can see the improvement in the matter of understanding. Also, I request you, please don't speak anything in front of child when the child is attending the class. You can put across your suggestions with the teachers sometime after. As far as food is considered, don't eat oily and fatty food, as these days there is hardly any physical movement of the children and as well as ours. They are asked to drink plenty of fluids, water, fresh juices, and avoid sugary cold drinks are ultimately going to harm their health. The next thing is physical exercises. These are very important and essential to keep ourselves reasonably fit and feeling fit too. So indoor exercises, simple one I am talking about of, or yoga or meditation, these are very useful. Those have treadmill, I mean such kind of gadgets at their home, nothing like that. But still, we can try simple exercises inside, that is indoor, because we cannot move out off and on very quickly. As far as the mental well-being or mental health is concerned, here I would suggest that optimal screen time. That is, they must keep away themselves from social media, online games, etc. Because these days, PUBG and other games, they are in fashion. And children, they are already giving time for their school online teaching and learning. So they should not go, they should not use much of the time on these things. They are not supposed to watch too much news channels. We are also, as we don't need to be informed after every 10 minutes. We can see news for 10-15 minutes, then after 4-5 hours, we can again see. As these news and messages on WhatsApp or the TV channels, they disturb our daily routine. So it is essential for us to keep our mind off from such news and messages, as watching more news and seeing more messages which are not authentic, because it is very difficult to ascertain authenticity of all these news and messages. These will give us fear, that will lead to anxiety. Anxiety is not bad, but we should be optimally anxious, not too much. We can try new or old hobbies, that is, be it cooking, painting, or any art project. We can go for that, which will certainly reduce our stress level, anxiety, and definitely improve our creativity. So these things, along with this, we should have good sleep, or at least optimal sleep. That is, at least 7 hours sleep for us and for our kids. That is very, very essential. We can practice mindfulness. Mindfulness, that is practice of being aware of what is in our mind or whatever is around us without reacting immediately to anything. That is to bring our attention to the now and present. We should not dwell unnecessarily into the future. So this mindfulness, this will improve our control over our emotional state by reducing anxiety and stress. We can go for learning breathing exercises. That is, if something where we want to react immediately, spontaneously, we can go for breathing exercises. That is, we can count, we can pause, say we can count up to 20 and give that reaction, immediate or spontaneous reaction, backseat. At this time, also the thing which is very, very important in my view is connect with others for mental well-being. That is, we must find time to make virtual connections by email, maybe text, phone, or FaceTime apps. Enjoy virtual socializing and talking to those in your home physically, face to face, because that is going to improve our connectivity with our own family. And this is what we call it in broader terms, quality time. Final purpose, or for finding purpose in helping others around, that is, it may be a family member or friend who needs to be isolated for safety reason, or if somebody is sick and needs to be quarantined at home, come up with the ways to connect with him or her. This could be through phone or by sending a note to brighten their day. And also, this is my humble request, that if somebody is suffering in your neighbor or anywhere around you, don't stigmatize and try to practice empathy with the sick people. So this is going to definitely give you control over physical and mental well-being, or physical and mental health. Thank you all. Thank you. Good day.
थैंक यू संदीप सर, बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट किया आप लोगों ने बच्चों को और पेरेंट्स को। और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे, पेरेंट्स जो आज की तारीख में सिर्फ इस चीज को लेकर के परेशान हैं कि फीस देनी है या नहीं देनी है, स्कूल में पैसा भेजना है या नहीं भेजना है, rather than that point, now they have to concentrate on that कि उनके बच्चे की फिजिकल वेलबीइंग कैसी है। जो बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज को लेकर के भी परेशान हैं कि हाँ, हमको बच्चे से को ना पढ़ाकर कितना पैसा बचाना है। मेरा उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो इस चीज पर भी विचार करें कि घर पे रह करके वो अपने बच्चे की केयर कैसे कर पा रहे हैं। बहुत सारे आपने बताया मेथड्स यहाँ पर आपने डिस्कस किए कि स्कूल में म्यूजिक होता था, आज की तारीख में वो चीज मिसिंग है। बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस ऐसे आ गए जहां पर बच्चे को एंगेज किया जा सकता है। बहुत सारे डांस के यूट्यूब वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं, जुम्बा है, बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जिसमें बच्चे को एक्टिविटी के लिए एंगेज किया जा सकता है। तो ये जितनी भी चीजें हैं जो ऑनलाइन आपको अवेलेबल हैं, तो अब क्योंकि ऑनलाइन पे ही आपको कुछ दिन तक सरवाइव करना है, देन यू हैव टू चेंज योर मोड ऑफ सिस्टम, कि आप कैसी लाइफ जी रहे थे उससे थोड़ा सा चेंज करने की अब आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है। मैं एक वीडियो यहाँ पर शेयर करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ कि बच्चे के साथ वेलबींग के दौरान क्या चीजें और हो सकती हैं, उसके बारे में छोटी सी इंफॉर्मेशन है।
Adults, kids need exercise. Most children need at least an hour of physical activity every day. Regular exercise helps children feel less stressed, feel better about themselves, feel more ready to learn in school, keep a healthy weight, build and keep healthy bones, muscles, and joints, sleep better at night.
As kids spend more time watching TV, they
I am little bit having doubt in that video was running it or not. I am going to rewind this again. Just let me check it out. I think it is not visible to all. I am sharing it again. Sorry for the interruption.
Like adults, kids need exercise. Most children need at least an hour of physical activity every day. Regular exercise helps children feel less stressed, feel better about themselves, feel more ready to learn in school, keep a healthy weight,
Sorry, there is some issue in that. I think it's not running properly. Let me check it out again. Why it's happening? Okay, we will just leave it on. I will attach in the link below this Facebook live session, and you guys can see this. So now that video was related to how the children should need the exercise, physical exercise, along with that homework and all these things what the school is giving to the parents and the students, right? So now I will like Ganesh Sahai sir to speak on the topic, what he is going to say about the students. He is from Varanasi, the RN International School. More than 3,000 schools students he is teaching over there. Ganesh Sahai sir, please put your views on that.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to thank and appreciate all the teachers of the country, जिन्होंने इतनी विषम परिस्थितियों में भी और प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों में भी शिक्षण और अधिगम के सतत प्रवाह को बनाए रखा है। इस परिस्थिति में जब भी वो विद्यालय नहीं जा पा रहे थे, उनके रिसोर्सेज, लैपटॉप आदि सब, everything was in schools only when lockdown was declared, and they are working hard to create contents. They were not accustomed to this type of teaching. They are also learning, and still they are learning, and they are doing everything how they can impart better learning and better education to students. I thank and salute to all the teachers once again for what they are doing, their restless effort. Even I have seen the teachers, they are working late night in making contents, and they are making the developed by different modes of digital teaching. So let's hats off to and appreciate to and thanks to all the teachers of the nation. Secondly, I would like to remove one misconception among the parents that the private schools of first priority means to their earning, and that I want to remove. The first priority of private schools, whatever in India, maybe very small out of that, their first priority is building up and grooming of your kids more than parents. and they are working hard for parents, and they are grooming and working for building citizens for the nation who can run the nation in years to come. The first priority of a school is not the earning, and first priority of a school, along with you, you are also stakeholders of that, and of course, the school is also a stakeholder of that, and we, school, teacher, parent, all have to work together for the betterment of their kids, for the betterment of your kids. And I would like to say that we at our school imagine and think that all the kids who are studying in our school are our kids. So let this spirit continue and remove any misconception is there in their mind. And second priority of a school is generating employment. Private schools are doing a lot of things and lot of effort to generate employment in this nation, what government cannot do. So we should appreciate rather the private schools who are giving better education, better than government school, especially in the reference of middle school and up secondary, up to primary and secondary school. I'm not talking about higher education, but up to primary education and secondary education, private schools को आप अगर आप हटा दें तो कंट्री में लगभग एजुकेशन का लेवल विल गो डाउन बिलो 90% will go below down, it will be 10%. So, and third priority of our private schools are to generate, to build infrastructure so that future में जो हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं, फ्यूचर में जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, they can use that infrastructure and we can build up the nation. In 2017, I got chance to visit Kyoto schools. Prime Minister has given me opportunity to visit Kyoto school under the Kashi Kyoto Partnership Agreement, and there I saw the infrastructure of government school is very high and private schools are very low. But in India, the situation is different. If you remove the private schools from the primary sector and secondary sector, excluding higher sector, then almost nothing is there. So we should appreciate rather the private school rather than cursing them. So hats off to all the private schools who over the years, not in 1 year, in 10 years, past 20 years, they have made so much infrastructure.
I think we are not talking on the topic. हमको बात करनी है इस चीज पे कि बच्चे की मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए हम लोग कैसे करने वाले हैं.
So now I will tell now I am coming to that topic. What we are missing, students are missing from school, that is the regular sports. In our school, opposite to contrary to other schools, our school sports period in first 2 period, not in last 2 period. So sports is the first priority of school, and sports is compulsory part of school, and every student has to opt to sport, to engineering sport, specific sport. So that students are missing, and that sports in school and exercise, whatever physical exercise we are giving to students, they are also engaging their reflex action, and they enhance their presence of mind and their instant decision making ability. All these are missing nowadays when we are switched to online education system. तो हम लोगों ने जैसे ही ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन में शिफ्ट किया, जो कि देश की परिस्थितियां ऐसी थी, तो ये सारी चीजें जो स्कूल में जो होने वाली एक्टिविटी है, रेगुलर स्पोर्ट्स है, स्कूल के स्विमिंग है, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज है, वार्म अप है, ये सारी स्थितियों पर चीजों से बच्चे दूर हो गए हैं. तो grown up children are, grown up peoples are almost now lockdown are somewhere removed, they are free to move around also, but the students are confined into home only. They are not even so much walking as they need. So I will request to parents कि जो ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का जो टाइम है उसके अलावा बच्चों को जो एक्सरसाइज जाने के लिए दे कैन अरेंज फैमिली एक्सरसाइज टाइम या फैमिली योगा टाइम. एक तो वो कर सकते हैं, पूरे फैमिली के लोग एक साथ एक टाइम शेड्यूल बना ले रोज सुबह का, उस समय कर सकते हैं योगा. और दूसरा इवनिंग में भी अगर घर में लॉन है या बाहर है कुछ निकल सकते हैं तो दे कैन वॉक अराउंड आल्सो व्हेन दे आर नॉट स्टडीइंग. एंड these are the things they can do for the physical fitness, and they can prescribe they can select some yoga, they can watch yoga video on YouTube, there are available. And from school side we are also sending the video of physical exercise made by our teachers that they should watch and they should practice. We are regularly sending them, so that should be done by school parts. And from parents, parents can make a schedule of regular exercise and yoga and meditation for mental health being. Because बच्चे जब स्कूल में आते थे, they were exposed to other children and teachers. उनके साथ conversation में वो भी, that is part of learning. They were learning new things. They were learning life skills. They were learning social skills. They were learning stress removing skills. But all these are missing. Teachers और बच्चे का heart to heart contact जो होता था जब बच्चा स्कूल आता था, उससे भी उसकी mental health well-being होती थी. अब वो नहीं हो रही है. तो उसके लिए जो भी स्कूलों ने जो ऑनलाइन क्लास शुरू किए हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लास में अगर स्कूल बड़े बड़े ग्रुप में बच्चों को ना करके कम से कम ये जो क्लास 1-2 है, इसमें छोटे छोटे ग्रुप में बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहिए, या उनके साथ अलग से कन्वर्सेशन सेशन लेना चाहिए मेंटल हेल्थ बीइंग का. इन स्मॉल ग्रुप में 10 स्टूडेंट्स एंड 1 टीचर, 7 स्टूडेंट्स और 1 टीचर, नॉट 40 स्टूडेंट्स a section or 120 students in section. So we can go for separate section, group of students with parents also. We can involve parents also, and of course regularly in once in a month or fortnight we should have online conversation along with parents and students, and listen their problems and listen their, if there is any misconception, any problem is there, so we have to sort out, and teachers and school will do their part, of course. And unfortunately regular exercise is missing, and these all the activities, sports activities, music activities, swimming, all are missing. So we have to anyhow fulfill these activities. इस गैप को हमको भरना है. इसके लिए we need support of parents. Now चूंकि बच्चे हमारे पास नहीं है, घर पे हैं, तो this part is to be done by parents only. Till then children are at their home. So for that we can take training session or orientation sessions of parents, how do they can train or how they can do things for mental and physical health well-being for their kids. तो हमको पेरेंट्स के भी सेशन लेने चाहिए, नॉट ओनली ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, क्योंकि बच्चा अभी पेरेंट के पास है, हमारे पास नहीं है, और बच्चे को भी हमको सिखाना है और पेरेंट को भी हम ओरिएंट करें कि पेरेंट इस चीज को, ये जो समस्या है इसके तरह जो भी है उसको रिमूव करें. और जो ऑनलाइन क्लास है उसमें देयर आर 2 मोड्स ऑफ टीचिंग. एक तो सिंक्रोनस है, एक एसिंक्रोनस. सिंक्रोनस मींस फेस टू फेस टीचिंग है, और दूसरा एसिंक्रोनस है जिसमें एक बार हम कंटेंट भेज देते हैं व्हाट्सएप से या गूगल क्लासरूम से या डिफरेंट एप्स, स्कूल के ERP एप्स हैं, और उसको बच्चे डाउनलोड करके बाद में भी देख सकते हैं. तो जो एसिंक्रोनस थिंग्स हैं, जो YouTube वीडियो हैं, इसको आई विल सजेस्ट पेरेंट्स को वो स्क्रीन कास्ट करके बच्चों को मोबाइल पे कम बैठने दें, स्क्रीन कास्ट करके बिग स्क्रीन में दिखा सकते हैं. और जो टीचर्स अपने सेल्फ वीडियो भेजते हैं, मोस्टली दे आर अपलोडिंग ऑन YouTube. तो YouTube के वीडियो हम एंड्रॉइड टीवी पे, मोस्टली मेनी पेरेंट्स हैव एंड्रॉइड टीवी, तो टीवी पे दे सकते हैं, सो दैट इस बच्चों को एक्सपोजर कम मिलेगा छोटे स्क्रीन पे. तो दैट विल बी गुड फॉर देयर आई हेल्थ एंड मेंटल हेल्थ. तो दैट्स माय सजेशन दैट schools now have to work with parents also, because kids are with parents. तो we जो काम हमको बच्चों के साथ करना था उसको हमको करवाने के लिए पेरेंट्स को भी थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा. तो दैट्स माय सजेशन एंड थैंक यू.
थैंक यू साया सर, बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बताई कि आप लोग ये वीडियोस बच्चों को भेजने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हम लोग यहाँ जो बच्चे आते हैं, जो पूर्वांचल में बच्चे हमारे पास हैं, वो रूरल बेल्ट के भी हैं, बड़ी सिटीज के भी बच्चे हैं. तो उस कंडीशन में सबको अपने अकॉर्डिंग चीजों को सर्च आउट करना पड़ेगा कि हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट कैसे हो रही है. शॉर्ट आउट पॉसिबल है कि किसी गांव के बच्चे के पास क्रोमकास्ट ना अवेलेबल हो, पॉसिबल है कि उसके पास एंड्रॉइड टीवी अवेलेबल ना हो, लेकिन गांव के बच्चे के पास एक एरिया ऐसा हो सकता है जहां पर वो मूव कर सकता है, फिजिकल वर्कआउट उसका हो सकता है, उसके आसपास के ग्रुप के 4-5 बच्चे उसको मिल सकते हैं जिनके साथ वो वर्कआउट कर सकता है. तो उसके लिए पेरेंट्स को एक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन करते हुए अलाउ करने की रिक्वायरमेंट मुझे महसूस होती है. साथ में जो बहुत अच्छा सजेशन आपने दिया कि जिनके पास फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल हैं, जो ये इस बात को मैनेज कर पा रहे हैं कि वो अपने मोबाइल को आइदर बाय क्रोमकास्ट या आपको अमेज़न से भी बहुत सारी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं जो आप लेकर के टीवी पर डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो बच्चे को मोबाइल की बजाय अगर आप टीवी पर लेकर के जाते हैं तो रदर देन कंटिन्यूइंग फॉर 1 आवर और 1.5 आवर आप 2 घंटे 3 घंटे की उसकी स्टडीज वहां पर करा सकते हैं. सारे प्रिंसिपल, सारे स्कूल, सारे टीचर्स बच्चों के वेलबींग के लिए कुछ ना कुछ वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं। फिजिकल वर्कआउट के लिए भी बहुत सारे सजेशंस वहां पर आ रहे हैं। जो लोग मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, जो प्रिंसिपल्स हमारे साथ हैं, मैं उनसे को सजेस्ट करूंगा और उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जो भी आपके पीटी टीचर्स हैं उनको भी इन्वॉल्व किया जाए। नॉर्मल क्लासेस में या तो स्टेम की क्लासेस चल रही होती हैं, साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, मैथ्स और इंग्लिश की, या कहीं पर कुछ और जो अच्छे सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उनकी चल रही होती है। फिजिकल वर्कआउट को हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं लैग कर रखा है। सो आई विल सजेस्ट कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर को भी इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए। वो सजेशन बच्चों को भेजें कि आप क्या चीजें वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं। सॉल्यूशन मोड में अगर हम लोग जाएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ बेहतर चीजें रिजल्ट निकल करके आ सकते हैं। एंजाइटी से बहुत सारे बच्चे परेशान होंगे, पता भी नहीं चलता, क्योंकि बच्चे हैं वो समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि क्या है। मुझे याद है अपने बेटे का छोटा सा इंसिडेंट। रन करते हुए एक बार वो गिर गया, माथे पे चोट लग गई, और चोट लगने के दौरान वो बहुत छोटा था उस टाइम, तो उसको ये नहीं समझ में आया कि मुझे हुआ क्या है। He was just saying कि पापा भूख लगी है। He was not able to recognize कि मुझे चोट लगी है तो अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा है, उसको लगा कि मुझे भूख लगी है। तो बच्चे भी इस तरह की कंडीशन में, एंजाइटी इज ए टिपिकल वर्ड, हम आप लोग भी कई बार समझ पाते हैं, कई बार नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली इसका पर्पस क्या है और कैसे हम इन चीजों को से रिकवर अप करें। तो उस एंजाइटी से कैसे रिकवर करना है, कैसे ट्रेस करना है और कैसे बच्चों को उससे दूर रखना है, मैं चाहूंगा कि बिंद्रेश प्रसाद जी मधुबनी से हैं, प्रिंसिपल हैं डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल के, आप हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और अपनी बात इस चीज पर रखिए। बिंद्रेश सर।
Hello, namaskar to one and everyone. Good morning. Today's topic for discussion is the physical and mental well-being of the children during the lockdown period. Now this lockdown, much has been talked about this lockdown from the very beginning of March. I'm not going to go into details of this lockdown. Every sector is facing some crisis or the other, and the worst scenario which is faced is by the educational industry. Why I call this educational industry is it adds big to the GDP of our country, especially the private schools. What Ganesh sir was saying about the private schools, or what Ramesh sir also told, that nowadays parents are, most of the parents I will say, whether we come from a big city or we come from a small city, they are now understanding what the schools are doing, but still there is some agitation in their mind. वो school fee देना पड़ेगा क्या? Somewhere that part comes and we have to overcome that part. Until and unless we feel that what schools are doing for our children, it's very difficult to bring our children out of the stress level. We were talking about screen time. We used to punish our children. बहुत मोबाइल देखता है. We used to complain to the teachers. सर कुछ समझाइए, काउंसलिंग कीजिए. घर में दिन भर मोबाइल पे लगा रहता है. Now the children don't have other option. The only option left is the online classes. If I take a term homeschooling, I think many of you will agree that homeschooling is the better term instead of online classes. Now homeschooling is such a kind of a thing where the parents have to play a big role rather than the schools were playing earlier. Especially the mothers. Sometimes I am from Madhubani. It's a small place. I have a new school to lead. I've been leading this school for the last couple of years. Parents used to call me, sir, आज स्कूल है, आज आना जरूरी है, कल क्यों बंद कर दिया आपने स्कूल? स्कूल जाता है तो कम से कम कुछ सीखता है. Now the headache has come on to the parents. Parents keep, I am in touch with the parents and they keep on asking, sir, कब स्कूल खुलेगा? I would suggest, please let us not talk about कब स्कूल खुलेगा, because we never know how long this will go. I'm not a doctor. Doctors are saying that it may go and it may take the end of the year to the end to the schools to open. Maybe January, maybe February 2021. Maybe the students will be moving on to the next session, next class directly. Now how? Something is better than nothing. The schools are coming up with something which, without going to school, the children are sitting at home and having something to study. But continuous study and keeping on the screen makes the student physically dull, because we are in fear to send our children outside. We do not want our children to mix up with the neighboring children also. Earlier they used to play in the evening, but that time also has been cut down or marred or affected by this pandemic. Much has been talked about, Sandeep sir. Yesterday night I was preparing the points. I don't know how he read my mind and almost said all the points. Thank you so much, sir, for suggesting all those points. Couple of things I would like to add.
The intuition that you the people are using in the past days, and that intuition is converted in the virtual connect these days. So he has told you.
Yes, we have connected virtually. Yeah, right. And the first speaker has always an advantage, and the last one has to wait for his turn to come, and then suddenly at the end, I had to decide. I have to change what I'm going to speak or what I'm going to suggest. Thank you so much, sir. You have talked about the exercises, the preparedness of the mindfulness exercises. Then you talked about the routine which the parents need to set, right from waking up early in the morning, sitting up at a proper place, their play time, and that activity time. I would like to here mention that the school which I started last year as a principal, as the principal and the founder principal over there, I had a thing in my mind. I wanted to make my school or declare my school a happy school. The concept of happy schools was in discussion. Thank you so much, sir. You are clapping. I can see. Happy school. And it was there in my mind how to make the children happy, or how to make the children come over their overburden, or how to train them to overcome their stress. So I decided that on Saturday, it would be a no book day. So from Monday to Friday, we teach the subjects. And on Saturday, I completely shifted to a no book day. It took me some time to come on to this kind of an idea. I took almost 6 months time. And from the November 2019, I started. Now, I'll tell you in brief what we used to do in that no book day, Saturday as a no book day. First period used to be the handwriting part, handwriting solutions. Handwriting is a part of the creativity. It enhances the creativity of the child. So I laid from the front and divided the groups into divided the children into groups. Since my school at present is up to 8th level, next year we will be moving on to 9th, and then we will move applying for the CBSE affiliation and all that, along with the go from here. And then second period was dedicated for communication skills. We train the children how to communicate in English. We train the children how they can speak in front of the public. Third and fourth period was dedicated for the different clubs according to the interests of the children. Many students, I come from Madhubani, most of you know that the Madhubani painting is the world famous painting. The painting is the world famous, and the place is known for Madhubani painting. Mithila painting is called kehte hain. Many children, they are interested in that Mithila painting. That's a skill. That's a skill which we need to teach our children. Public speaking, physical exercises, different clubs were there. Now, when we moved on to this virtual online classes, or I can say, yes, online classes in the beginning, we were limited to the teaching of the different books and all that. Students were finding it difficult to adjust, teachers were finding it difficult to adjust, parents were finding it difficult to adjust. Some parents have 2 children, 3 children at the home, 1 mobile is there. Everyone was put to a big problem. But now I think we have settled down a big deal. I keep in touch with the parents. Every day I fix a target to talk to 2 parents, and there is no limit to that time. I keep on talking for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and something or the other I come to know from them also. Children need something. Their mental well-being is getting affected sitting at home. Their physical health is getting affected. So many things have been talked about, Sandeep sir, already, how to get physically active. Parents need to set a routine. They need to ask the children to move out on time to time. They should not sit in front of the screen and become a couch potato. Eating healthy is also that important. Sleeping is also that important. I would like to add here a couple of things which we used to get at our time. The parents need to give quality time to the children. Apart from this, how to train the children for making their mental condition as tough one. Parents need to talk to the children. They must fix up a time throughout the day. Out of 24 hours, it's your children. You need to spare at least 30 minutes to 40, 45, whatever work you do, however hard you work for your family. Ultimately, you are working for the family. You're working for your children only. So why not give the quality to the children? Give the quality time, give some quality time to children. Monitor your children. Like what Ramesh sir also told the child, his son fell down and he was unable to suggest what he wanted to have. He needed first aid. So we can come up with so many things. Parents, when they sit together with the children, they can motivate them by sharing their stories, how they struggled hard to come forward and they moved on to their life. They can share, they can talk about the moral values. Yes, moral values play a big role. Ramesh sir has studied from Kendriya Vidyalaya. I remember we had a discussion, Ramesh sir, if I'm not wrong. I also done from my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya. There used to be one period, if you remember, SUPW, socially useful productive work. And we students used to say some useful periods are wasted. No, I really miss that period. And when the schools open up, I'm definitely going to make one period for each and every section, each and every class, at least once in a week. One period in a week, SUPW. That teaches so many things, skills. That teaches us skills, how to make a card, how to plant a tree, how to take care of the plants, how to knit. I even know how to knit, which is sweater bunna bhi aata hai. Now I've forgotten, but in my school we were taught. Now why can't we move ahead and teach our children something apart from the texts and books? Couple of days ago, I'll share something. I was listening, I was very fortunate to listen to Sri Ravi Shankar ji and Sri Anurag Tripathi, Secretary CBSE. I think many of you might have heard. I would like to share on this platform also. Both of them were concerned about the health and mental condition of the children during the COVID. I think I'd like to take one data which I got to know from Anurag sir. That PISA had conducted a survey in 2009, a worldwide survey, and our country stood 72nd in the skill development. Now, once again, I think what he suggested me the data, what I got to know from him only, that again in 2021, this kind of a survey will be done. 2020 has already approached. We need to prepare our children for the skill development. If skill development is there, if the children are skillful, they can overcome their stress by themselves. Yes, of course, the younger children, the small children need a kind of a parental care at the home. That's where I talk about the role of the parents. I'll be coming up with my video role of parents during the lockdown or during the online classes. I'd like to add here something more. Few decades ago, we used to talk about IQ, intelligence quotient, which talks about the intelligence. Mera bacha hai, itna intelligent hai, uska IQ itna tej hai. and people used to like surrounded with these things only. Then came EQ, emotional quotient. Who is emotionally strong can handle any kind of a situation. Now, how does it come? It comes from the care, parental care. It comes from the motivation. Then came social quotient, SQ. How strong we are socially. What kind of a bond we share on the social platform. How we should behave on the social platform. How socializing we are. And last one, which was talked about by Anurag sir, is AQ, adversity quotient. Now, there lies the question. How prepared we are about the adversities which is going right now, and the worst to come, we never know. How we can prepare our children. In my morning assembly, like Ganesh sir, yesterday we were having a talk. He talked about the virtual morning assembly. Virtual morning assembly. Morning assembly can be started also. Everything depends upon the place and the demography of that place. My school is situated in a very small district town, and some 240 students we have right now. This is the second year. Suddenly one morning I woke up and came up with the idea, why not to send good morning thoughts and the news of the day, news headlines to children. So I talked to one of my teachers and said, either you send or I send. He said, okay sir, from tomorrow onwards we'll be sending. I said, okay, if I don't send it by 8:30, because from 9 onwards we start our classes, you kindly send. And on the very first I woke up late, I woke up at 8:45. By that time he has already sent the good morning thought and the news. Many parents gave me a positive feedback. Sir, this is what we wanted from you. And then I started the activities online. My children have been already been trained. We will be training the children on the online mode also. Apart from books and copies, apart from the subjects which are being taught by the teachers, on Saturday I had kept the Saturday as a reserve day. Now for the last 2 weeks I have utilized that one. I have started the online competitions. The first competition was this 2 Saturday पहले जो मैंने शुरू किया. It was a poem, English poem recitation competition. Many students felt ये क्या बेकार की चीज है. Parents might have also felt ये स्कूल क्या तमाशा कर रहा है, पैसा लेने का नया तरीका होगा. But trust me, 50-55 what students participated out of 240. Many might not have been able to send the video at the proper time. And when I declared the results on Monday, I got call from so many parents whose children could not participate. Sir, मेरा बच्चा अगले program में, अगले competition में participate कर सकता है. I said everyone. When we had the school, we used to divide the school into groups, sub-junior group, junior group, and sub-senior group or senior group. 4 groups are there. And house competitions used to be there. But I said no. It's open to everyone. Each and every child is allowed to participate. Let him participate and see how prepared he is. So many children came up beautifully, and many children were left behind. Last Saturday, yesterday only, we had English calligraphy competition, and some 122 students have participated. It was a big change. I think when we will be going for the next competition on the next Saturday, I think all students of my school will come forward. Now here again lies the role of a parent. It's my honest request to the parents is, please do not talk negative about the schools, about the teachers. I have heard from students only, Papa to aise bol rahe the ki school ke teacher tumhare बेवकूफ बना रहे. So the child is so attached to the teachers that he talked about his parent, Papa aisa bol rahe, Papa waisa bol rahe. Let's not talk about these kind of negative things, because negativity will ultimately affect your children, dear parents. So this COVID pandemic has given us one thing, and united we stand, divided we fall. So it is our duty, the schools should come forward, teachers are working harder, parents should play their role equally. And definitely children will be bound together from all corners. If they see, because many students feel that school has given me the homework, my parent is outside, my mother is in her kitchen work, I am sleeping. This has been a problem during the online classes. We have seen during the Zoom classes and all that the children are sleeping. Someone moves out of the class. So togetherly, we need to join hands and we need to think about the positive approach we need to take towards fighting this pandemic and how to build up physical and mental health of the children, setting routine, whatever facilities you have at your home. Even if you don't have a good chair and all that, but at least you can provide them a proper place where they can learn, where they can study peacefully. So I would sum up with a kind of a thing that let us join hands. So many things have been talked about, Sandeep sir, Ganesh sir, and let us pray for the well-being of each and everyone, and let us pray together that we overcome this pandemic as early as possible, because the buildings, the schools are missing the children. The children need to come back to the school as early as possible, but yes, safety should be the priority. Thank you all. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Vindya sir. Very well said. Actually, schools are not only the educators. You nailed the things that we were at 172nd number. It was the second last number in the world when the survey was done for the education of the educational system. And I am, after that you added also, but after next, in 2020 and 2021, if the survey is going on, then what will be our number? I am not thinking anything positive regarding that. I'm not on the
Same here, sir. Same here.
Reason is that that 172nd number we came when we were on the full swing of the school education, and now
72nd, not 72nd, 72.
I will correct it. It is 172nd.
172nd.
It was some of the 173 countries probably.
Okay.
So we came on the 172nd number, right? And that better to say the second last. That is the important.
Second last, right?
2-3-4 देश से भी हम ऊपर नहीं आ रहे हैं education को लेकर के, and in that education system we had included Kerala, that Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, those who are doing quite well. अगर हम उन states का भी अपने इंडिया में बात करेंगे, if you are talking about the UP, Bihar and West Bengal, तो मैं उसका भी सर्वे मेरे पास एक था, and in that states also UP was the second last again. So that is the hard luck कि हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम कहाँ पे जा रही है, और रीजन कहीं ना कहीं एक सोशल जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो गलत मैसेजिंग है उनको लेकर के है. आपने बिल्कुल पिन पॉइंट जो किया कि we both are studied from the Kendriya Vidyalaya, we were having the SUBW period. You very well defined that period. Some useful periods were wasted. हम लोग कुछ और कहा करते थे, that I can't tell you here on the social platform. उस टाइम ये लगता था कि नहीं ये तो बेकार की चीज है, but it is worth it. Now we feel it is worth it. उसकी जरूरत हमको यहाँ पर होती है, and now we feel कि those activities are actual life. Whatever we are studying here, that is the alpha, beta, gamma, and everything. I was just searching one day कि what is the use of differentiation. I have just written differentiation. We had got 4 or 5 lines over there. That this shows that one thing, the Google is very smart in tracing our mind, and the next one is that many of us have searched what is the use of calculus in the life. So we are not going to use that things in the life. What we will use and what we will learn from the school, that is the communication, leadership quality, team building, teamwork, that we have to study, and that we all are missing. When you start the classes, then the parents start saying that how much homework you are providing to the students. The homework is not being given to the students. what the student will do with that homework if he is not knowing anything? So this is the big question mark. If the parents are not going to improve their information, if they are thinking according to the things whatever it was designed by Macaulay in 1835, it was just continuing from past that much year, and it is still continuing. Yesterday I was on a Facebook post. Some senior citizen, I will not say the name. He told me I had written something over there. It was the post of some any BJP leader, and I had said that government do anything if government is interested in that case. He quoted on his behalf on my post that Mr. Ramesh, you must not be knowing that name some educational leader, that see his videos. You will come to know about the things. And a few of the IAS officers, they had studied on the Tat Patti. He had written over there that Tat Patti. I had quoted it. With due respect, I want to inform you that you upgraded from dal chawal to pizza burger. You upgraded from DOT phone to Android phone, iOS. You upgraded from normal TV to smart TV. But still you want that education to be on Tat Patti. So it's my request to the parents, teachers and all educational leaders, टाट पट्टी से बाहर निकालने की जरूरत है. जब तक सब लोग नहीं लगेंगे तब तक नहीं आएगा. उसके लिए मेंटल वेलबींग, फिजिकल वेलबींग भी बहुत जरूरी पार्ट है. It plays more than 60% role in the life. अगर बच्चा मेंटली फिट नहीं होगा तो वो एग्जाम में क्या कर पाएगा. इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है उसके लिए. इसको लोग ध्यान दें, इस पे केयर करें. और पेरेंट्स से और स्कूल से मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, जो मुझे सुन पा रहे होंगे, वो अपने टाइम में से निकाल करके, शेड्यूल में से निकाल करके, आई विल नॉट से कि आप अपने टाइम में से 45 मिनट्स या 30 मिनट्स की जो क्लास है उसमें से टाइम मत निकालिए. टीचर के लिए तो मजा आ जाएगा, सब चलिए 10 मिनट हमारा और बच गया. प्लीज डोंट डू इट. आप बाद का वर्क दे सकते हैं, उनको वीडियो बना करके बोलने भेजने के लिए कह सकते हैं. बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. इफ यू विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑन द पॉजिटिव एंड, यू विल गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट. सो आई विल एंड दिस सेशन ऑन दिस पॉइंट कि फिजिकल वेलबींग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. बच्चों के लिए ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. उनसे बात करिए, समझिए, जैसा कि बिंद्रेश सर ने कहा, गणेश सर ने कहा, और बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स संदीप सर ने यहाँ पर बताए हैं. स्लाइड्स इसलिए दिखाएगी ताकि आपको दोबारा स्लाइड्स को देख करके आपको याद आता रहे कि इन पॉइंट्स पर भी हमको बात करनी और देखने की जरूरत है. सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू टू स्टे कनेक्टेड. मीट अस ऑन नेक्स्ट संडे 11:30. टॉपिक होगा, बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स इस दौरान हो रहे हैं. हम आप भी एक वेबिनार में ही जुड़े हुए हैं. टीचर्स के लिए बहुत सारे वेबिनार हैं, स्कूल के लिए बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स हैं, बच्चों के लिए बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है, पेरेंटिंग के बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स आ रहे हैं. क्या इन वेबिनार्स का रियली हमको कोई बेनिफिट मिल रहा है? वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट नेक्स्ट संडे 11:30. टू कनेक्टेड विद अस. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.